Had the trailer brake turn off today, so that's our new lovely development. So we didn't have a trailer brake, we didn't have an exhaust brake, and we were pulling a 40-foot trailer. So this is our cross-country road trip. To have the truck at the dealership on Friday, that's the only requirement.
By Friday? Is that possible? Yes, that is very possible. Once Houston gets a little bit of rest, I can make it cross-country, no problem.
Beautiful, huh, Mama? You know what that's called? Say the Mississippi River. Now you can tell everybody you've been to the Mississippi River. Oh, we're almost to Illinois.
You're driving?
Yeah, I'm driving.
Somebody that never drives is driving.
We had the trailer brake turn off today, so that's our new lovely development. Now our trailer brake turns off sometimes. So we didn't have a trailer brake, we didn't have an exhaust brake, and we were pulling a 40-foot trailer.
It's like 45 feet, I think, with the bikes and the rack on the back.
Thankfully, we were only 30
It's pretty
minutes.
big, it's pretty long, but
We got to see the manufacturer.
we were at the manufacturer. That was okay. We met the head manager there. His name was Bob, right? Or that was his name, I think. I don't know. I'm terrible with names. So if you introduce yourself to me or I meet you, just know I will remember where I met you,
remember the person. You just don't.
I remember the person. I just don't remember. Where or how or what your name could possibly be. So if I call you the wrong name, I'm sorry. I definitely apologize. But yeah.
So this is our cross-country road trip. We're gonna probably stop in Iowa.
Somebody's supposed to be finding out where we're going. 5 hours. We got 5 hours. That's
We
all.
have to have the truck at the dealership on Friday. That's the only requirement. Other than that, we're just kind of chilling.
By Friday? Is that possible? Yes, that is very possible. Once Houston gets a little bit of rest, I can make it cross-country, no problem. But being up all night...
We can't check into a hotel till 3 anyways, so...
We were up all night. I mean...
Yeah.
Tossing, turning, tossing and turning.
We were right by the free... Okay, this KOA is actually really nice. I like that it's on the lake and it has like a beach access. It has beach access, it's on a lake. We really didn't get to experience it like crazy because we were winterizing the camper. But I think that it would be super nice during the summertime. But don't pick the ones by the office. Don't pick the slots by the office. It's like 101, anything in the 100s.
Why?
Because you hear the freeway whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. You're not behind the gate, which is kind of like, if you're staying there long term, I'd like to be like behind the gate so people can't have access to it. So there's like one or two rows that aren't behind their like gate access, and then there's 1 or 2 rows that people are crazy.
Whoa, people are nuts.
I'm not letting anyone in. What the fuck?
Is somebody coming?
Yeah, there's another person over here.
People are crazy. What are they doing here in Indiana? I don't understand it.
You don't want to wait in traffic, so you had to push yourself in like a weirdo? Look, now she's ramming our bike. Was that fun? Or...
Some people.
Jeez, I don't want you behind me. That's scary. If you're willing to drive on the shoulder, who knows what you're
What else are they willing to do?
If a cop saw that, they would be toast. If they charge them $1,000 for speeding, what do you think they're gonna charge them for driving on the freaking shoulder thing? What'd you get?
We got a little bit of everything.
You got a banana?
Yeah, and he didn't want me to open it.
Are you hungry, Papa?
I got a coffee.
Oh, thank you. It's so freaking beautiful out there.
Crazy, huh?
What are you eating, Margie?
A muffin.
A muffin? Carter's too tired for this. We got some breakfast. That's why I like Holiday Inn Express's freaking breakfast. Rue, you want breakfast? Papa. Ruben. Want breakfast? Beautiful, huh, Mama? You know what that's called? Say the Mississippi River. Now you can tell everybody you've been to the Mississippi River. Pretty crazy, huh?
Want the video and the
So like, subscribe, show all your friends.
and
See you on the next one.
the
Right here. Right here.